If you want to know the cooling capacity of a specific coil in air conditioning, this is the formula that you've probably seen. So typically it's BTUs an hour equals 4.5, which is a constant, times your cubic feet of air per minute, times your delta H, which is your enthalpy difference between the return and the supply air. The reason you're checking that is because you're actually doing latent heat removal when you're doing cooling. You're typically dehumidifying that air. So you need to know what's the total heat that you got rid of versus just sensible heat. Like say you just went from 2 degrees to 4 degrees, well, you know that's 2. Well, when you're getting rid of latent heat, that's not the same as sensible heat. They shorten this equation from using this up here. So what you end up doing is you'll take 60 minutes per hour times your specific density of air. So standard air is 0.075 pounds per cubic foot. So they just took 60 minutes times 0.075, which equals 4.5. So that's where you get this 4.5. If your air is a lot different, like say your high altitudes or your temperature differences are huge, then you might have to use this correction factor. To figure that out, you just take your specific density of the air in pounds per cubic feet times your 60 minutes per hour. So you have to figure out, okay, at that temperature, what is that? In our example above, at 70 degrees Fahrenheit, our air is 13.3 cubic feet per pound. If you want to know the specific density, then you just take 1 divided by 13.33 cubic feet per pound to get a specific density 0.075 cubic foot per pound. So if you had to, you could change that if you needed to. Most likely you're just going to use this formula right here.